I've been trying to get in the bathroom for a minute. She been up in here hogging the bathroom.
Damn, I'm tired of this.
She got me stuttering.
Where you going?
Where is she going?
To the night.
To the night?
Yeah.
No, she
Yeah,
shouldn't
nightclub
be
you
going.
going to?
She can't even say it
I'm
right.
going to a party at California. And it's only going to be
She
for
said a
12
party at
I'm grown.
California.
You're not coming because you're not with my mom. Only my family came, and I don't want you to come, so.
She must not know. Back in my day, I
We're
used to
going
get
now.
that thing
I
lit.
packed the backpack.
Oh, you packed your
No,
backpack.
she didn't say
Oh.
I packed the backpack.
I was
So
going
that
to
makes you a
Vegas.
grown up?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You got your Lunchable in your backpack
Bet she
too?
forgot the Capri Suns.
Yeah, but
You want some snacks or something to go to your little grown up party?
we already have snacks there.
They
Oh,
gonna have
okay.
slime mimosas.
No drinking, okay?
Mine can't drink.
Why I can't drink?
What?
Mine can't drink.
What you mean? What, your Uber ready or something?
No, excuse me to you. Get her away.
The disrespect.
Why you talking to me like this though? I love you.
being weird to me?
Come back. You need to be back here
What's a good
by
time for a
1
5-year-old?
in the afternoon.
Excuse me. Period. You're talking to me about Pugaboo. Period.
She not back. She's sleeping in the tent tonight.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, it's too late. It's gonna be late for school tomorrow.